Folks, that's sparks going on. The sparking is really snapping. Okay, that's with the diode. So the diode. Wow, that's really, zoom in. It's really snapping with the diode, alright? I'm going to try it with the Thyrotron again. Oh, the voltmeters, okay, there we go. Okay. I'm not sure if it's going to come out in the video, but we're getting sort of green sparks from the commutator. We've got the neon glowing really brightly. Got the voltmeter going off the charts. And we've got the spark gap here going absolutely crazy. This is a negatively charged plate. It's actually a heat sink. I just found it easier to use for testing purposes. I might connect the negative up to the grids and see what happens then. But certainly getting all sorts of interesting sparking going on there. Okay, here's my Thyrotron. I've got it working again. Now, I don't know if this is going to come out, but you can see a faint glow and it stopped. I've got it started again. Now, I don't know if this is coming out, but you can see the Thyrotron. Okay, it keeps stopping. Okay, spark gap's happening, neons are on, and it's flashing. Okay folks, it's a little bit temperamental, but it does appear to work, strangely enough. Not much change. I've got the commutator there, got my Thyrotron there. I haven't been able to get these vacuum tubes to work, but the Thyrotron seems to work for some crazy reason. I found it's easier to work with this aluminium heat sink than, so I'm just sort of tinkering at the moment. And I've got my carbon resistor or bus bar, whatever you want to call it there, and I've sort of positioned that sort of close to my grids or secondary, whatever you want to call it, and it appears to work. So, what's next? Well, I'll just keep tinkering, I guess. Yeah, it's very interesting. I was getting some green sparks from the commutator before. I think that was more with the diode. I was making like a real sort of popping type sound. The Thyrotron, well, I don't know anything about them, but it seems to work, which is news to me, new experience. What I'm finding at the moment is it seems to be not self-oscillating too well, so I'm not sure why that is. It sort of works and then stops, and then works and then stops, so a bit puzzled by that, but anyway, interesting news is the Thyrotron works. So, and that was only $3 plus postage, whatever that was. Don't remember. It was quite a while ago. Charged to a